As always, the best way to test the rubric is to score student work. In a moment, please pause the video to give yourself time to read the student's passage. Then restart the video to join me in using the rubric to assess the submission. Okay, what do you think? Pause the video again and score this now. Here's how I use the learning progression to evaluate the work. Again, I am not a subject matter expert, but I will tell you what I think. First, beginning. I think that the student has a topic sentence in the form of a question. Mama and Papa, can me and Manav please get a dog? They have not one, but three supporting reasons, pretty easily identified. Begging you, responsibility, and less screen time. So they definitely earned beginning. They have a concluding sentence. Clearly, I think me and Manav deserve a dog. So we're up to developing. Proficient says that the paragraph starts with a topic sentence that states my opinion. That's not happening here. The student earns developing, despite including at least two supporting reasons and using transition words. They used next 2 times. So you would conference with the student and tell him or her that all he or she has to change is stating his or her opinion at the very beginning and continue doing all the great stuff. Of course, you'd specify those items with them. So let's review the overall process before you go get to it yourself. Write the expert level. This is what your absolutely ideal student will produce at a level of complexity or sophistication that impresses you. Step 2, write the beginning level. This is evidence of trying. Step 3, write the not enough evidence level. Step 4, write the developing level. This is the first time they show evidence of relevance, basic applying the content you have been teaching. It may not be right, but you can see the first glimmers of understanding. Step 5 is write the proficient level. This is where the process is correct, although the content may not be right. Step 6, write the advanced level. This is where the process and the content are correct. Edit and refine your learning progression by fleshing out your descriptions so it's clear what success looks like. Eliminate repetition to streamline the rubric. Reinforce the dependency of each level on the previous one. Tighten up language so that it's measurable, objective, and clear. Be general enough that your learning progression can be used on multiple assignments over and over again for the entire year. Step 8 is to use the rubric to score sample, to find weaknesses in the rubric. Address those issues. At this point, you might choose to rework the first learning progression, or feel free to choose a different one from your list made in Module 5. In a moment, you will finish this video and go create another learning progression. Hopefully it will be easier than the first one, but keep in mind that I'm still revising mine every year as I see inconsistencies and flaws in its application. I'll show you some examples of this in Module 10. In the next module, we will dig deeper into assessments. You may need more time to refine your learning progressions, so work on them as needed. Before beginning Module 9, please complete the posted activities.